Hi, it's Carol. In my art room tonight, gonna do a bloom. I'm gonna do a bloom technique with my new Acrylic pigments. I just got them today, so I'm anxious to try them. And yeah, I can't wait to see how they turn out. And I hope you do too. So let's get started. Welcome. I'm back. I'm gonna do another bloom. I'm loving my pigments. I got some new pigments. So this one here is sky blue. This one is salmon pink. Really pretty color. This one is pumpkin orange. It's a light orange. And that's what I'm going to use today. And I have some purple flash mixed in with some, I mixed two together, lavender frost, extreme sheen with the lavender flash. All right, I'm going to do another one. It's my pillow paint, my Beautitone. There's a number of different pillows you can use. White, eggshell, this is velvet. And I'm going to use my homemade cell activator that I made out of Zinsser and Floetrol and Amsterdam white. Now a cell activator is used for a bloom technique, and that's what I'm doing today. I think I'll put the flash down first. I'm going to use a little bit of yellow. I put the pink first. Rose salmon, that's a new one. And then I'll put a little bit of yellow. Then I've got medium magenta, blue, and this is this one. Oh, this is a blue. It's another color shift paint, but it's. Where did I already use that? Oh, I already had some made up. Oh well, I'll put a little more. Can never have too much purple. Put the orange. May as well use it all. one haven't I used? I haven't used the magenta and the blue. And I'm going to use a white cell activator on top. So I think I'll... It's almost gone. This is medium magenta by Liquitex Basics. And this is the sky blue pigment. Purple had a lot of air bubbles in it. Meantime, I already had one made. Take some out. Okay. I might put a little bit of this on top. Let's hope that was thin enough. Use my blower again. Okay, I think that's enough for there. Whoa. That cell activator, that's not underneath. I don't like all that white. I hope it comes together. Wow. I can't wait to see what they look like dry, these pigments. First time I've ever used them. Kind of exciting. They're so pretty. I'm just waiting for the middle. Patience, patience. right, I wonder if it's ready. Still looks concave in the middle, but it is closing in. Come on. Still a little bit stuck there. Okay, I think I'm going to spin. Make sure, I think this should be pushed over a little bit. Oh, it's always one corner. One corner. That's pretty good. I don't think I want to stretch it anymore. It's pretty awesome the way it is. I could probably take some blue. Now it's white. Okay, I'm done. Except for that big white blob there. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at those pretty colors. And there are some cells, believe it or not, with different colors. There's some light purple coming through there. It almost looks like green, but that's the yellow and the orange, I guess. Or no, the yellow and the blue made it a little bit of a green. There's two purples there. A few light and dark purples there. I like it. It's gorgeous. Anyway, so there's that new cell activator. Works for that. Works really good with blowing the paint. All right, well, have a great day and come back to Carol's art room for some more fabulous blooms. Oh, I love my pigments. They're so pretty. I think it's going to dry nice and shiny. Can't wait to see it dry. I'll show you the results at the end. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. It's my dried tile. These pigments dried so pretty. They dried lighter than when they were wet. It's got a nice shine to it. Look at that. This is with my new cell activator. Lots of lacing. Look at that pretty lacing. Not as many actual cells, more lacing. With the fine white, you get more lacing. But it's very pretty. I love it. There you go. Have a good day, everyone. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.